Karachi builds faster than chai cools. You take one sip, चाय ठंडी और नई बिल्डिंग्स गर्मा गर्म तैयार हो जाती हैं. टावर्स राइज, प्लाजास मल्टीप्लाई, हाउसिंग स्कीम फूटते जैसे धनिया बारिश के बाद. लेकिन इस तेज शहर में एक पुराना दुश्मन हमेशा जीत जाता है. क्रैक्स, दरारें, स्मॉल स्नीकी स्टबर्न क्रैक्स. आज पेंट लगाओ, कल फिर वही क्रैक्स वापस. एंड कराची gives us every reason for them. Heat that roast walls. Monsoon moisture जो छुपके से अंदर घुस जाते हैं. Cheap fillers जो बिस्किट की तरह टूट जाते हैं. Sea salt eating cement like Nimco. Plus the legendary contractor dialogue. अरे बॉस, ये तो हल्का सा क्रैक है, इतना तो चलता है.
It absolutely does not चलता है. अब सोचे अगर walls अपने problem खुद solve कर सके. This is when Biocement enters, a wall putty where science meets nature. Inside the material, Bacillus bacteria stays in sleep mode. जैसे ही क्रैक्स में मॉइस्चर जाते हैं, बैक्टीरिया जागकर अपने मिनरल्स डिपॉजिट करना शुरू कर देते हैं और आसपास की चीज़ों को कोई नुकसान भी नहीं पहुंचाते. They fill the cracks naturally, automatically without any drama, unlike traditional fillers which looks great on day 1. But by day 30, cracks return just like Karachi traffic, heavy, annoying and impossible to avoid.
The formula blends everyday materials with smart biology. Eggshell for strength, cornstarch for flexibility, gelatin for bacterial growth, coconut oil to hold moisture, plaster of Paris for quick drying, tile grout for extra strength and water resistance, and Bacillus bacteria for self-healing. यानी एक smart self-healing product जो कहता है रिलैक्स, आई गॉट दिस.
छोटे क्रैक्स
heals in days
और बड़े क्रैक्स
no chance to grow, no panic, no ruined weekend. और ना ही इसका स्ट्रेस कि उस्ताद कितना खर्च आएगा.
And the business model, clean and simple. A pack of 500 gram will cost 230 rupees to produce. Local retail price 550 rupees. For the higher market, a pack of 5 kg will cost 5,000 rupees. Nearly 50% margin, which is healthier than most construction product on the market. And if we sell 3,500 packets a year, we will be having a profit of 1.9 million, which is 34% profit margin. And for the higher market, industries, builders, large housing projects and government contractors, we will offer a product with premium grade quality and with customized formulations. यानी retail market के लिए affordable और big projects के लिए high performance industrial level wall putty.
Our marketing strategy combines online and offline visibility. We will run social media campaigns on platforms such as Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Our target audience are architects, contractors, hardware shops, eco-friendly families, even government repair team. सबको चाहिए कुछ ऐसा जो बार-बार रिपेयर ना मांगे. Biocement सिर्फ cracks fill नहीं करता. It changes how people think about building, from constant repairs to self-healing confidence. Walls that fix themselves. और कराची जैसे शहर में, this is the kind of practical miracle people are dying for. It's not just cement, it's Biocement.
Thank you.